All right, what's up, guys? Hey, what is poppin'? Welcome back to another vlog. So I have not done like an actual vlog in a while. I've just been doing like my tutorials for my makeup and hair. So I'm going to actually bring you guys with me today. Today is my mini maintenance day because clearly my hair is still done. So I was going to go just get a pedicure, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get my nails done too. But this time I'm going shorter just because it's easier for my lifestyle, but we still gonna make it cute, or try to, or pick a cute color. I don't know. But welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for joining us and welcome to the family. You're already here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all, let's go. I'm about to get in the shower and then get ready, and then we're gonna head out. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I am done in the shower and I'm about to do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything extreme. I think I'm gonna go, obviously I'm gonna choose a color that matches my outfit, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I might do a pop of color. It depends. I don't know if I'm feeling it right now, y'all. My energy just went from here to here. So I'm trying to, because I didn't finish it this morning before my workout. Alright, so let's get into this. So I'm starting off with the Black Girl sunscreen. This is the SPF 30. I've been using this over 6 months. This is the first sunscreen that I found that doesn't leave that white film. And when I first used it, I thought it was breaking my face out. But I think it was because I started using it as well as like a new soap. It's still like, sorry guys. So it's called Nature Love Brightening Eye Gel. I got this from Marshall's a few months ago as well. I don't know, I like it. I think it works. It does, to me, it does visibly reduce your under eye, but also I can definitely say making sure you're eating the right foods and staying hydrated helps that a lot too. Cause like when I'm having a good month, or I know I'm doing good in my diet, I can see the difference. Like right now, I know I look super tired cause I've been on go. All right. I got this, I still don't know if you can see it. I don't know how. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I like it, especially when I'm in a rush or something. It definitely to me it helps, but I don't know what I'm gonna do when it runs out. I keep telling y'all to tag me some skincare products because I don't know anything about skincare, y'all. Nothing. Like the most, I ain't gonna say nothing. Like I've done my research, but I know there are people who know more. Like that's their thing. It's not mine, so. And I don't know about y'all, but I love, this is my favorite part. I just love massaging it because it's like, I can tell how tense I am. It's a Cetaphil Healthy Radiance Whipped Day Cream. So I've been using this along with the Black Girl sunscreen, but this one is like, it's like a powdery, I can't even explain. The finish is weird. It's not like it looks creamy, but as you rub it, it's like it turns to like a dry powder, I don't know. It's like a dry powder almost, but not completely dry. I don't know. I haven't had anything with that texture. I can't, y'all. The lights are so, let's see. Y'all, and I've always This one is by LA Colors, and I've always used their bronzer. Like, I don't know, I just always have. I need a brush set. If y'all seen the brushes I use. Those are the brushes I have. Like, and it's all because I'm lazy. I'm lazy. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna lightly dust around my face. Right here, I'm still gonna hit. I'm still gonna put my. They say bronzer is for warming up the face. Once again, I don't know. I'm not a makeup guru. I just like doing makeup, y'all. I just like doing makeup, that's all. So, no lie. I don't typically use bronzer at the beginning, but I wanted to see some. I wanted to try some. I'm finna try some. I'm sure somebody's done this already, but I haven't, so I'm trying to try it. I'm finna see some. Finna see what it be's like. Gonna start there, and now I'm gonna get a little highlighter. And the highlighter I use is by Kiss Professionals, the Glow and Bronze Powder, and I got the color Deep. So I literally just put it where I know where I put mine in the same place every time. See, and we got this situation. This is what we're looking like. We look nice and golden. Okay, that part's done. Now I'm gonna set it. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Mine's like really close, so it's hard for me to tell. Here we go. So this is the one closer to my natural, well, I wouldn't say close to my natural skin color, but it's closer. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like, not a lot at all, and then just a little here. And then take the lighter color. One. Now I have been liking using my fingies to blend it under, at least under my eye. To me, it's been staying and coming out a lot better. But how I want it to look. I think my favorite part is this part, especially if you're going for like a more snatch look. What you want, what at least what I do is take the concealer up, making like, I don't know if you can see, I don't know. But I'm doing it very light, so I really don't know if you guys can, how well you can see. Blender, as you can see, I use it all the time. I spray a little bit with my setting spray. Dip. Whoops. I don't dust it off at all because I want my under eye to try and look as bright as possible. honestly, that is the base of my makeup. Like, 9 times out of 10, I'm not wearing foundation. I don't. Like, I do have hyperpigmentation like most people. I do get scars from Walmart. So, like, I know this one on my chin. It's gonna have a dangerous scar. But, like I said, I use natural remedies. I don't know if that's what helps. I mean, I don't have the best skin at all. But I found what kind of works for me, or at least for my face. Let me stop talking, so let me get to it. So, the most important part, the eyebrows. Duh. Dang y'all, I don't know. I don't know if I want to go for a harsh brow or a soft brow. I think I'm gonna go, dang, this is hard. I'm gonna go soft. What a soft look. Soft look, soft. We're going soft. That's what we're gonna do. Let's see. Let's see if I can do though. Cause my eyebrows have not been. See, boom, soft brown, done. Nice, soft, pretty. That's it. We done. Now, I'm gonna dust this off. Oh, they turned out good, y'all. I don't know, y'all tell me. I think they turned out cute. They really are. They did come out nice and soft. Now, to keep the same soft aesthetic, it is best to don't use a black liner, but I'm going to use both. So, beat me up. Don't care. Ooh. This is dark brown. This is by, oh God, NK Makeup. It's from Beauty Store. I just saw it and I grabbed it. So this I cannot do on camera. Sorry y'all, I can't. I don't have the little theme for my camera to stay on the mirror right now. So I can't. I now always go out of frame. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I am back. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but what I did is do a thicker like eyeliner. I don't know, let me see where the brown is. I just did it thicker. So oh my God, y'all, I thought that was the bronzer, but I had moved it. I was so scared to look down. But yes, so you want to create like, you want to make it thicker because you want it to look more of like a shadow for your liner, if that makes sense, if you get it. So we are, now can't do that on camera either, y'all. Sorry, I cannot. How they do it, I don't know. Maybe with my phone, but this camera, no. I'll be back again. Okay. All right, guys. So I am back. So I created my actual liner, and that is basically it. I really gotta go. So I am going to. My mascara, I'm using Kiss Professionals Long and Define Waterproof. Alright y'all, so I'm coming back on. The video might have got crazy. I don't know. The devil always trying to stop our movement, trying to stop our hustle. But no, not today, boo-boo. So my makeup, this is pretty much it. I ain't gonna lie, I call it sealing the deal. I'll probably do that. I don't even know. I'm probably gonna do it again before I leave. Then what I'm gonna do, dry. And I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the look, like I said, very plain. Hopefully you guys can see it better whenever I get outside in the sun. I'm inside, and our side of the house doesn't get much sunlight. So, well, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. Then we gonna go. All right, y'all, and this is how I'm going to be styling my hair. I just created a knot bun. And then I had both my bangs out, but I ended up doing like a loose braid and just wrapping this around. But I think this is a cute little look. Cute, but still grown. Yes. Alright y'all, so I don't know how well you can see me, so I am done getting ready. I just jumped in a car. If there's a mess, excuse the mess. But I'm about to go ahead and go get my feet done and my nails. I'm gonna try and film if I can, if they let me. I don't know. I'm going to a new place. But alright, let's go. Let's get it going because I'm extremely late. I'm like 2 hours late from the time I was supposed to leave. So let's go. I don't think you see me. Hold on. Alright, my bad, y'all. Y'all probably can't see me, so I am done. Y'all, I'm walking around with mismatched colors because I wanted my nails pink. And I asked my husband what color to do my feet, and he said black, so here we are. But yeah, I am done. They did okay. They did okay. I.e., I was actually talking to my husband, and I was telling him that's kind of why I don't like going to new places, because they don't treat you like somebody who's gonna come back, especially if they've never seen you before. But it was all right. Now, she definitely scrubbed my feet. That's what I really came for. So, yeah. But I am about to head to grab a snack, get something to eat. So, yeah. And I'm going to get you guys at the house because I forgot I have to go by the house and check on them baby's kids. So, I will catch you guys probably later. I don't know. Let me see what I got going. All right, y'all. Alright, I don't know if y'all can hear me. I made it back to the house to get straight. I gotta run to the store. Honey is about to be on his way. But I think I'm done filming for today. I'll be back on tomorrow, guys.